कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं, मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती।
अस्त्युत्तरस्यां दिशि देवितात्मा हिमालयो नाम नगाधिराजः पूर्वापरौ निधिविग्राह्य स्थितः पृथिव्या इव मानदण्डः. The great poet Kalidas describes the glory of the king of mountains, Himalaya, standing firmly as a benchmark between the greater water bodies at the eastern and western sides of India. Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. I am Shambhavi Agrawal, and this is my co host, Anmol Bhargav, and we wish each of you a very happy 76th Republic Day, a day that sings the triumphant songs of justice, liberty, fraternity, and equality across the nation. In the words of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Constitution is not a mere lawyer's document. It is a vehicle of life, and its spirit is always the spirit of age.
We would like to note that a thousands of years old civilization, at different points of time and in different forms, has put a common man at the center of discussion and decision making. Today, we gather to honor a momentous occasion that not only commemorates the birth of the mother of democracy but also marks the foundation of Swaraj. It is because of a constitution that we stand today as the world's largest democracy, where every voice matters and every individual has dignity. Let us celebrate 75 years of self governance, embracing the theme Hamara Samvidhan, Hamara Swabhiman. From the words of preamble to the rights and duties enshrined within, the Constitution is the essence of a sovereignty, integrity, identity, and honor.
When the tricolor waves in the air, it uplifts the heart of every Indian, strengthens them, and empowers us to outdo for our motherland. On this note, I request all to please stand in their place, and I request Professor Amit Prashant, Acting Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, to please unfurl the national flag and mark the beginning of another year embracing democracy.
जनमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Bharat Mata ki
Vande Jai
Jai.
Hind. Thank you, Ahan Loti and Bhumi Agrawal, for your melodious voice.
आ रही हिमालय से पुकार है उदरी गरजता बार बार, प्राची पश्चिम भू नभ अपार, सब पूछ रहे हैं दिग दिगंत, वीरों का कैसा हो वसंत. फूली सरसों ने दिया रंग, मधु लेकर आ पहुंचा अनंग, वधु वसुधा पुलकित अंग अंग है वीर वेश में किंतु केंत, वीरों का कैसा हो वसंत.
जंग श्रीमान फ्लड ब्रेक फ्लड कमांडर 4 प्लाटून कमांडर 30 सुरक्षा कर्मी 27 हाउस कीपिंग स्टाफ 45 स्टूडेंट हाजिर है. ये आपके निरीक्षण के लिए तैयार है.
I would like to draw your attention to the parade consisting of the inter-IIT sports contingent and a very own caring. The magnificent and firm parade is led by the commander, Mr. Prakash Kumar. Behind him will be the sturdy men and women brimming with patriotism.
Rabindranath Tagore once said, "Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, into that heaven of freedom let my country awake."
We would now like to request Professor Amit Prashant, Acting Director, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, to say a few words on this occasion and to show us light on a successful path whose end is beyond sight.
A very good morning to all of you. Our director, Professor Rajat Muna, could not be here today. Of course, he loves meeting all of you. But today, he is meeting another exciting person that anybody, all of us, would like to meet and spend time with, President of India. So, in that sense, I'm here to say a few words. We have 75 years completed and 76th Republic Day we are celebrating today. While जब भी हम बात करते हैं कि सेलिब्रेशन करना है, बट किसी भी सेलिब्रेशन के साथ जो उसके पीछे की जिम्मेदारी होती है उसका एहसास करने का भी ये ओकेजन होता है. सो while we are celebrating this huge period of success building our nation with, you can say, the philosophies that were formulated into a law, into a constitution, and so on. We also uphold the responsibilities or the commitments that we have made along with that. When we have somebody telling us what to do, how to do, तो हमारी जिम्मेदारियां कम हो जाती हैं. एक तरह से आप ये भी देखो, लेकिन वो देश कहाँ जाएगा वो पता नहीं. तो वहाँ पे जो लोगों का देश है, इस तरह का हमने एक बनाया सिस्टम, और वहाँ पे लोगों की फिर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आती है. और जिस तरह से दुनिया की एक्सपेक्टेशंस थी कि ओवर हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ईयर्स हमारा जो एक देश की जो हालत थी उस समय, उसके हिसाब से लोगों को लगता था ये देश बिखर जाएगा, ज़्यादा देर चलेगा नहीं. एंड आज की डेट में वो सभी देश आज रेस्पेक्ट की तरह देखते हैं हमारे देश की तरफ, गाइडेंस के लिए हमारी तरफ आते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है हमारे देश के लिए. इसी तरह से आप इसको ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं कि एक देश को बनने में कुछ दशक या कुछ सेंचुरीज लग जाते हैं, जहाँ पे जो एक एक मेंबर है उस देश का, सिटीजन है, वो उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट करता है विद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ अपहोल्डिंग द कॉमन बिलीव्स, कॉमन सिस्टम्स. उसी तरह से इस इंस्टीट्यूट में भी, या किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट को बनने में दशकों लग जाते हैं. अभी हमने 16 साल पूरे कर लिए इस इंस्टीट्यूट में, और बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स तो नहीं, लेकिन अप्स तो देखे हैं, क्योंकि बिल्कुल क्लीन स्लेट से डेवलप कर रहे थे. आज की डेट में अभी इतना धीरे धीरे इतना बड़ा फैमिली बन गया हमारा कि कई लोगों से मुलाकात नहीं हो पाती 2-2, 3-3 महीने, 2-2, 3-3 महीने तक इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं हो पाता लोगों से. इस स्टेज तक पहुंच गए हम, इतने बड़े हो गए. नाउ जब हम इस स्थिति में पहुंचते हैं तो हमें खोने का भी डर होता है कि कहीं खो ना जाए, और यहीं पे जिम्मेदारी का एहसास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो जो फिलॉसफी, जो चीज़ें हम अपने देश के लिए सोचते हैं, और आज उस फिलॉसफी को फॉलो करते करते वेरी प्राउडली वी से कि वी आर डूइंग ओके, वी आर डूइंग वेल, एंड वी आर नॉट इन द रेस ऑफ बीइंग द पावरफुल country. We want to be a stable and very loving country for any other nation around us. उसी तरह से इस इंस्टीट्यूट का भी एक स्थान हमें बनाना है, और उसको बनाने के लिए each one of us will have to think about what contribution we can make while we are celebrating this day. जो ills of society हुआ करते थे, आज उनकी बात नहीं करते हम। आज से 10-15 साल पहले भी बहुत बातें करते थे हम लोग कि ये प्रॉब्लम है, वो प्रॉब्लम है। आज हम बात करते हैं कि क्या करना है, क्या अच्छा है, क्या यहाँ हो रहा है, क्या वहाँ हो रहा है। ओपिनियंस देते हैं, ये सही किया हमने, ये गलत किया, दैट इज़ ओके। डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन एक अच्छी बात होती है, बट जो संवाद का स्कोप था, जो स्कोप ऑफ डायलॉग था, वो चेंज हो रहा है धीरे धीरे। जो हमें एहसास होता है कि पहले जिस तरह से हम बात करते थे, उसमें एक डेवलपमेंट, एक भूख कि अच्छा करना है, उसकी आशा में हम अपनी परेशानियों को आपस में शेयर करते थे। लेकिन आज की डेट में परेशानियां थोड़ी कम हो गई हैं, उस तरह की परेशानियां जहां सर्वाइवल के लिए हम बातें करते थे। आज की डेट में हम परेशानियों की बात करते हैं, कैसे और अच्छा कर सकते हैं, कहाँ अच्छा कर सकते हैं। ये पूरे देश का एक स्पेक्ट्रम चेंज हो रहा है धीरे धीरे, एंड उसका एक रिफ्लेक्शन हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट पे भी आता है। तो अभी लास्ट 1 ईयर में हमने बहुत बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स हाथ में लिए हैं, इंक्लूडिंग वी आर स्टार्टिंग this competency advancement academy. We are also partnering with 2 more institutes in Gift City to start International FinTech Institute. Now these are not small projects, these are very big projects with new concepts, and एक confidence अभी जो आया है पिछले 15-16 सालों के डेवलपमेंट के बाद कि we can do well in these things and we can serve the people who need these kind of organizations. While our primary mandate remains कि जहाँ पे हमारा हायर एजुकेशन अच्छे से अच्छा करे। लास्ट थिंग आई वांट टू से इज कल्चर बनाना किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट का और उसको सस्टेन करना, ये प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव, एक कलेक्टिव ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है। और आई फील रियली प्राउड ऑफ द कल्चर दैट वी हैव क्रिएटेड इन दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, वेयर वी केयर फॉर ईच अदर, वेयर वी शेयर विद ईच अदर। We don't define ourselves as individuals, we define as we. So that feeling or that culture will remain as long as each one of us believe in this. And this is a differentiating factor for all of us, and I hope we will always celebrate this and take the responsibility to carry this to our next generation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom and brilliance. Here at IIT Gandhinagar, we live lives with excellent comfort and brilliant instruction. Once a bright mind said, if someone's efforts go unnoticed, their dedication takes a descent, and so ascent needs an applause. We will now proceed with the presentation of awards. I would like to invite Professor Dilip Sundaram to step forward and announce the Faculty Excellence Awards.
Very good morning to everyone. I wish you all a happy Republic Day. On behalf of the committee constituted to recommend the Excellence Awards for faculty, I am delighted to announce the names of the faculty members who are selected to receive the Faculty Excellence Awards for the academic year 2023-2024. Firstly, Excellence in Teaching Award, Dr. Nipun Batra, Associate Professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department. This award is given to him based on his contributions and achievements in teaching, including outstanding organization and conduct of courses, as well as the adoption of active learning strategies. Next, Excellence in Research Award. This award is being given to Dr. Arpan Bhattacharya of Department of Physics. This award is given to him based on his achievements and contributions in research, including publications in high-quality peer-reviewed journals. So now we come to Excellence in Institution Building Award. This award is now being given to Dr. Bhaskar Datta of Department of Chemistry for his contributions, for his outstanding contributions and achievements in institute building activities, including serving as a head of counseling services. Last but not least, we now present the Excellence in Outreach Awards. This award goes to Dr. Dheeraj Bhatia of Department of Biological Sciences and Engineering for his contributions to outreach activities, including the organization of numerous workshops, conferences, symposiums, and seminars. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the deserving recipients. Next, I invite Mr. Rambabu Bhagat, Joint Registrar, to announce the Staff Excellence Awards.
Good morning and happy Republic Day to all of you. Before I announce the winners of the Staff Excellence Award, I would like to share a brief about this award. Staff Excellence Award was started in the year 2011 and till now 96 persons has been awarded, and in a Staff Excellence Award we give a certificate and 50,000 rupees cash prize for the award. This year 12 persons have been selected for this award, and I will announce their name. Mr. Harshad Mandalia, Senior Executive Engineer. Mr. Jay Thakkar, Senior Technical Officer, CCL. Mr. Vijay Kumar Meena, Senior Accountant. Miss Parul Ben Christian, Assistant Staff Nurse. Mr. Dilip Kashyap, Software Developer. Mr. Deepak Agnihotri, Executive Officer. Mr. Ashish Kumar Pandey, Laboratory Attendant. Mr. Virendra Singh Chawda, Security Guard.
Hey, Sriman. Sriman.
Mr. Harish Thapa, Mess Cook. I think he is not here. Mr. Nilesh Bivola, driver. Mr. Jitendra Piwal, housekeeping staff. Miss Neeru Ben Gujjar, housekeeping staff. Congratulations to all of them. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the winners. Now let's move on to the Campus Development Awards. I invite Professor Abhay Gautam to announce the recipients. I also request the winners to assemble near the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Development Awards are given to individuals whose effort lead to betterment of the campus and touches the wider community. This year's recipient of the Campus Development Awards are Ms. Somi Ben Thakur from Horticulture staff for her exceptional contribution towards the care and upkeep of campus horticulture and organic farm. Ms. Vilash Ben Thakur, staff at 2 Degree Cafe, for her outstanding efforts in ensuring cleanliness and hygiene at the cafe. Mr. Hemant Godia, staff at Maruti Xerox and Stationery, for his outstanding support and dedicated service at the reprography facility. Mr. Mangeshkar Karade, IITGN staff, for his dedicated service and diligence in facilitating campus activities. Mr. Raval Devendra Kumar, HMC staff, for his exceptional contribution in maintaining cleanliness of the campus. And Mr. Thakur Kanaji Chanduji, housekeeping staff, for his exceptional contribution in maintaining cleanliness of the campus. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, and heartfelt congratulations to all the winners. Following that, we have Professor Abhijit Mishra to announce the awards for achievements in sports. I request the awardees to come near the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Republic Day to everyone. The Achievement in Sports Awards is given to people, to individuals who perform very well or achieve medals during the inter-IIT sports meets. This time, we had a very good performance in the sports meet, both in the student and the staff. In the students meet, we won 5 gold medals, 1 silver, and 3 bronze medals. Along with numerous fourth place positions, and all our teams did very well, reaching quarterfinals and other positions. In the staff sports meet also, we won 1 silver, 1 bronze, and a couple of fourth place finishes, as well as quarterfinal positions in multiple teams. So the awards for the students are Adit Rambhia for winning 3 gold medals. Tanya Vyas for winning 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 bronze, and 2 fourth place finishes.
Good.
Ananya Balike for fourth place finishes in 4x50 meter freestyle and 4x50 meter medley relay. Kaveri Manisha for fourth place finish in 4x50 meter freestyle and 4x50 meter medley relay. Anshika Goswami for fourth place finish in 4x50 meter freestyle and 4x50 meter medley relay. Our girls team also secured the second runners-up position in the Inter-IIT Aquatics meet. So for that, they received this trophy. Right. Hemant Punya for winning gold medal in discus throw. Kanika Chauhan, bronze medal in javelin throw. Abhitej Singh Bhullar, bronze medal in 4x100 meter relay and fourth place in 400 meter hurdles. Kshitij Giri, bronze medal in 4x100 meter relay. Sojas Seth, bronze medal in 4x100 meter relay. Laksh Mehta, bronze medal in 4x100 meter relay. Yes. Praveen, fourth position in weightlifting. Neve Patel for achieving the first position in individual rating in chess. Now coming to the staff sports meet, Miss Lakshmi Hirani for winning the bronze medal in shot put and fourth position in discus throw. The cricket team won the silver medal. The team members are Bhika Bhai Patel, Raveen Singh Chauhan, Rohit Chaudhary. You're going to.
Next.
Rohit is not here. Ashish Kumar Pandey. Sachin Patel. Santosh Raut. Rajiv Kumar Das. Madhu Vadali. Santosh Kumar Joshi. Bablu Sharma. Rahulendra Bhaskar. Arvind Kumar Purohit. Ratnesh Kumar Singh. Neerav Bhatt, Naran Pindoria,
and the captain of the team, Professor Abhijit Mishra. I congratulate the team, and then team can come and then collect the cup.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to all the accomplished individuals. Lastly, we have the honor of announcing the Best Poster Awards for the students in the Research Showcase held in the previous semester, which will be followed by the Dean's List. I now invite Professor Sameer Patel to share the results.
Good morning and happy Republic Day to all. So I request the recipients of postgraduate and undergraduate research showcase awards to come forward to collect your certificate as your name is announced, starting with postgraduate research showcase award conducted last semester. Shriyansh Srivastav, Biological Sciences and Engineering. Shivani Sharma, Civil Engineering. Tripti Mishra, Chemistry. Manu K.S., Electrical Engineering. Shikha Sharma, Earth Sciences. Justin Hizam, Mechanical Engineering. Kartikeya Chaturvedi, Materials Engineering. Noman Hanif, Physics. Moving on to the Undergraduate Research Showcase Awards, the first prize is shared by Shrey Jwalant Joshi, Electrical Engineering. And Yash Patil, Electrical Engineering. The second prize is awarded to Aniket Mishra, Computer Science and Engineering. The third prize is shared by Shrimay Shah, Electrical Engineering. Heer Nilesh Kubadia, Computer Science and Engineering. And Gupt Dhruv Amit, Computer Science and Engineering. Coming to the Dean's List, I'm pleased to announce that 36 students were included in the Dean's List for semester 1 academic year 24-25. I request the students placed on the Dean's List to gather in the designated area on my left for a group photo.
पराधीनता को जहां समझा श्राप महान, कण कण के खातिर जहां हुए कोटि बलिदान, मरना पर झुकना नहीं मिला जिसे वरदान, सुनो सुनो उस देश के वीर शेर संतान, आजादी अधिकार सभी का जहां बोलते सेनानी, विश्व शांति के गीत सुनाती जहां चुनरिया के धानी, मेघ सांवले बरसाते हैं जहां अहिंसा का पानी, अपनी मांगे पोंछ डालती हंसते हंसते कल्याणी.
On this note, we end today's function, but with a promise to each other, a promise of honoring the nation's pride that comes with ensuring justice and the well-being of all, a promise of ensuring that as we progress, we take the nation together, and a promise of enduring the responsibilities and duties that come upon us.
Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.